Classic architectural style that stands the test of time, this exquisite Georgian estate is ready for you to fall in love. Situated in the heart of Raleigh Hills, it's a premier location, close to Washington Park, and with easy access to downtown Portland. The impressive driveway leads to a serene setting welcoming you home. From the grand entry with marble floors, you'll find gracious, entertaining spaces with floor-to-ceiling windows, architectural details, and multiple cozy fireplaces. The tastefully remodeled kitchen features high-end stainless steel appliances, a large working island, double wine fridges, a pantry, and peaceful views. A gas fireplace and built-ins frame the light-filled, cozy family room. The private backyard is low maintenance with 2 levels of Trex decking, perfect for entertaining. A home office is tucked away for privacy with views of the backyard. Take the formal staircase or back staircase for convenience, and you'll be welcomed by the amazing primary suite with a fireplace. The beautifully remodeled bathroom includes dual sinks, a soaking tub, large walk-in shower, and a walk-in closet with extensive organizers. This home of nearly 5,000 square feet has 3 more spacious bedrooms on this upper level, with brand new carpet, paint, and refreshed bathrooms. The lower level features a huge bonus room with yet another fireplace for warm, relaxing evenings, plus another bedroom or working space, perfect for friends or family. From here, head to the lower Trex deck, surrounded by mature trees. Evenings feel magical in this thoughtfully crafted estate, with its 4 fireplaces and spacious rooms for memorable gatherings, inside and out. Welcome home to this classic you'll be sure to appreciate for years to come. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.